Yo! What's poppin', everybody? You know what to do. We in Hypixel. You know. It's day 2, playing a random game on Hypixel until we play all the games. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna, just hop right in to our game. Now, we cannot do UHC Champions anymore, because of course, we already did it. So we're gonna do a new one. So if it lands on UHC Champions, that's too bad. And also, it cannot land on random game. All games, just okay. It just has to be one of these, not these. Anyways, okay. So I'm gonna close my eyes. 3, 2, 1. All right. Well, that doesn't really work. This is kind of annoying. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. 3, 2, 1. I'm barely shaking my mouse, so hopefully it lands on something. What? How did it? Oh my gosh. 3, 2, 1. I swear. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. 3, 2, 1. Bro, are you serious? Okay, I'm gonna stand right here in the middle, and I'm just gonna keep doing this. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I swear. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, we were okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, oh my gosh. I'm so done. 3, 2, 1. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Why do we not land on anything? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so done. 3, 2, 1. Prototype. I don't even know what this is. Capture the Wool, Skywalk, Tower Wars? I don't even know. We'll figure it out. Okay, we're playing Prototype. Let's see what that is. So, looks like we got game options here. So, Capture the Wool, Skyblock, and Tower Wars. I do play Skyblock, but I'm just not going to play it for you guys because I've already started with Emoji Jeffrey 7. We just kind of play our own thing. We're not really recording it. Capture the Wool sounds fun. Yeah, let's do Capture the Wool. So we're playing Capture the Wool for 15 minutes. So let's go. Alright guys, we ain't stopping until it's done. So yeah, we're just going to keep playing Capture the Wool. I don't even know how to do this. 40 people. Jeez. We need 40 people for this? What even is this? Huh. Well, we'll figure out. Also, guys, if there is a giant break like this, I will skip, but we only have 20 seconds, so I won't pause the recording. But if it's stuck at 1 player, then I'll just pause the recording, go do something, come back, and then it'll probably be done by then. But yeah, we got 20 out of 40, so it looks like there's going to be 2 teams of 10. Or is it 4 teams? I don't know. I've never seen anything like this before, but yeah, we're going to have fun with this. Okay, so it looks like we're on blue team. Okay. You defend. So I have. It looks like our team is objective is to defend. What are we defending? Looks like everyone wants blocks. So I guess I'm gonna use blocks. Do we use the bow? Oof, how did I not get him? Come on. Oh no, he's coming in. Ah. Okay, I don't really know what I'm supposed to do. I thought we were supposed to defend. And they're safe? What? I'm so confused. We'll figure it out. This is just the first game, so I don't really know what's happening here. So I'm just gonna assume that I'm going to... Okay, that's not very good. Aqua wool. Bet you ain't going nowhere. Where is he? Where is he? I see him. I see him. I see him. There he is. Right there. Right there. Get him. Get him. Get him. Oh, no. Team. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my God. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh, my God. Okay, I didn't, okay. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Stop, 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 stop. How did he jump right over me? I'm so done. Stop. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Does this kid even have anything? Where is the... Oh my god. I'm just going to their base. I don't even care anymore. I don't even care. I'm going to their base. I don't know what's happening. I really don't know what's happening here. Sorry if I'm not speaking too much. I need to figure out this game. I don't know what is happening here. Yeah, this is very hectic. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna kill that kid. Why is everyone picking up our wool? Are we not picking up anyone else's wool? Come on. Okay, I'm just going to their base. Oh, wait, we captured one? Red team objectives? Oh, no, red captured one of ours. We have to capture theirs. Never mind. Wait, red has captured one of ours. Okay, yep. Alright, GG's, GG's, GG's. Okay, I didn't really understand what happened that round. So, yeah. Okay, well, we obviously lost. So, I don't really know what to do. I'm gonna just chill, you know. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. I got a bullet. Okay. Okay, we have someone close. I'm just gonna try and defend, I guess. I don't know what's happening. This is... Guys, sorry if this is really boring. Some of this is gonna be boring. But, that's too bad. Oh my god, we can't go into the wall room. Wait, she doesn't even have her... Why did she go into the aqua thingy? It's already been captured. Alright, GG's. GG. GG. Okay. +5 karma, what do you... Alright, I know how to play now. I know how to play now. I know exactly what I'm doing. I know exactly what I'm doing. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm going try-hard mode now. You don't understand what's happening. I gotta get my blocks ready and I'm gone. I'm actually gone. That's all I need to know. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm gone. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, we're attacking. We got a speed builder. We got a speed builder. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, we hungry. Come on. Let's get this wool. We're getting this wool. We're getting this wool. We're getting this wool. Oh, yeah, we're invading. We're invading. Sit your down, boy. Sit down, boy. Oh, yeah, you need to sit down. You need to sit down. You need to sit down. Oh, I died. What do you know? Isn't that just great? Oh, wait, I can't place in my own base. Okay, that doesn't matter. We gotta go back. We gotta go back. We gotta get the wool. We gotta get the wool. Come on. There is no stopping. There is no stopping. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? Alright, I'll let him go. I am now officially gone. What are y'all trying to do? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? Come on, I need backup. I need backup. Oh, there we go. Oh my god. Bro. Okay. It looks like we're kind of in the lead here, but we don't have a single piece of wool, so I'm just going to keep going. Okay, we just got a whole bunch of archers right there. I'm going to leave them be. Alright. My sprint isn't working too well. Oh my gosh. This is not the right time to lag. Okay. I think the strat is to go around. Yeah, let's just do this. Oh, dude. This is hard. This is actually so hard. Oh my god. What? How are they picking up our stuff? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? This way, I think. There he is. Okay, we can't let this kid get away. You're not no type of getting away. Okay. Where is he? Where is he? Okay, I'm gonna just let that kid handle it. Okay, so it looks like one of theirs is picked up, one of ours is picked up. Alright. Keep going, let's keep going. Guys, sorry if this is not as fun to watch as the UHC. It's just a random game. You guys might not like it. I don't really like it either, but oh my god, bro. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Okay, come on. We gotta go. Alright, it looks like we defended well. One of theirs is stolen, which is good. We need to try and get that over. Both of ours are safe. That's all that matters. Okay, blue's kind of slacking here. Do we have to make a jump? Yeah, kinda. What you trying to do? Oh my. Okay. Can I not build here? Okay. Okay, let's just go up. Can I even go up? Darn, I might have trapped myself. Come on. There we go. Come on. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna bridge over. Again, sorry for not talking that much. You gotta focus, okay? Like, you gotta focus hard. Why do these kids have iron armor? Do I have iron armor? Oh my god. Why would they buy kits? Did they really buy kits? Oh, you can buy kits for gold? Swordsman, builder, archer. Should we buy kit? Let's go swordsman. There we go. Swordsman. Alright, okay, both of our things are picked up, but we've captured one of their thingies, so yeah. Well, actually, wait. Objectives? Oh, has blue captured one of ours, but we need to capture I still don't really understand this. Where are they, blue and green? Oh, never mind. So they were doing better than us this entire game. So I'm actually very wrong, which is kind of not good. Oh my god, this is not good, not good. Okay. How are we gonna do this? We gotta go from below. Alright. Okay, yeah, guys, I'm sorry. This is, like, really boring. I'm not enjoying this. Holy, we're at 13 minutes. We're at 13 minutes. Oh, I only got 15 minutes to record because I don't pay for a screen recorder, and OBS lags my computer too much, so I have to use a 15-minute timer. I might have to end the video in the middle of this game, which, I'm perfectly fine with doing, but, like, geez, that time kind of passed fast. I mean, time flies when you're having fun, but I didn't really have fun. I was just focusing too hard. Yeah, this video is probably, like, very not entertaining, and you guys probably hated it. But I'm gonna try and make a good thumbnail, so you at least will click on it. But, yeah, besides that, you don't have to watch it. Just click on it. Oop. Well, actually, it would be nice if you would watch it, but obviously you don't have to. Okay, we're at 14 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pop over here. I'm gonna end this video right now. Okay, actually, FN, F5, FN, F5. Okay, if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It was really fun making this video. Yeah, actually, no, it wasn't. I got really bored making this video. But stay tuned for tomorrow, because we're doing another, episode of this, I think. Where am I? I got 30 seconds. Oh, no. Are you kidding me? It's lagging. Okay, yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It's been really awesome making this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. I only have a few more seconds to make this video. So yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Yeah, we're going to play a different game, and hopefully it'll be more fun than this. Bye!